Cristiano Ronaldo, the rise of a football legend. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, one of the greatest footballers of all time, was born on February 5, 1985 in Funchal, the capital of the Madeira archipelago, Portugal. From humble beginnings on this small island in the Atlantic Ocean, Ronaldo's journey to global superstardom is a tale of unparalleled talent, relentless determination, and a burning desire to succeed. Early life. Humble beginnings. Cristiano was the youngest of 4 children born to Maria Dolores dos Santos, a cook, and José Dinis Aveiro, a municipal gardener. His family lived in modest circumstances, often struggling to make ends meet. Ronaldo's father worked multiple jobs to support the family, and his mother worked tirelessly to ensure her children had a chance at a better life. From a young age, Cristiano displayed an unbridled passion for football. His childhood was spent playing in the narrow streets of Funchal, where he would kick makeshift balls made of socks or old rags. Despite the financial struggles, Ronaldo's family recognized his talent and supported his dream of becoming a professional footballer. At just 8 years old, Ronaldo joined Andorinha, a local amateur club where his father worked as a kit man. Even then, his extraordinary skill and determination stood out. By the age of 10, he had moved to Nacional, one of Madeira's top clubs, where he continued to hone his craft. The move to Sporting Lisbon. At the age of 12, Ronaldo took a life-changing step. He moved to Lisbon to join Sporting Clube de Portugal's academy, one of the country's premier football institutions. This was a daunting move for the young boy, who had to leave behind his family and adapt to a new city far from the familiar comforts of Madeira. Life in Lisbon was not easy. Ronaldo often battled homesickness and faced ridicule from some of his teammates for his Madeiran accent and skinny frame. But his unshakable determination and dedication to improvement set him apart. He trained tirelessly, working on his speed, technique, and physicality. Ronaldo's coaches quickly recognized his potential, and he began to climb through the ranks of Sporting's youth system. On August 14, 2002, Ronaldo made his professional debut for Sporting Lisbon's first team at the age of 17. It was clear to everyone watching that this teenager was special. His electric pace, dazzling footwork, and confidence on the ball were unlike anything they had seen. A Stars born, moved to Manchester United. Ronaldo's life changed forever in the summer of 2003 when Sporting played a friendly match against Manchester United. Ronaldo's performance that day was nothing short of spectacular. He terrorized United's defense with his skill and speed, leaving seasoned players struggling to keep up. Sir Alex Ferguson, Manchester United's legendary manager, was so impressed that he decided to sign the young winger immediately. At just 18 years old, Ronaldo joined Manchester United for a transfer fee of £12.24 million, making him the most expensive teenager in English football history at the time. He was given the iconic number 7 jersey, previously worn by club legends like George Best, Eric Cantona, and David Beckham. This was both an honor and a challenge, but Ronaldo embraced it wholeheartedly. During his 6 years at Manchester United, Ronaldo evolved from a raw talent into one of the most complete players in the world. Under Ferguson's guidance, he refined his skills, improved his decision-making, and developed a remarkable work ethic. His performances on the pitch were breathtaking, combining flair and creativity with incredible goal-scoring ability. Ronaldo's breakthrough season came in 2007 to 2008, when he scored 42 goals in all competitions, helping United win the Premier League and the UEFA Champions League. He also won his first Ballon d'Or that year, cementing his place among the world's elite players. The Galactico era, Real Madrid. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking move to Real Madrid for €94 million, the highest transfer fee ever at the time. The move marked the beginning of an era of unprecedented success for both Ronaldo and the club. At Real Madrid, he transformed into a goal-scoring machine, shattering records and redefining what was possible on the football pitch. Ronaldo's rivalry with Lionel Messi, who was excelling at Barcelona, added an extra layer of drama to the sport. For nearly a decade, the two players pushed each other to new heights, dominating the Ballon d'Or awards and delivering jaw-dropping performances season after season. During his 9 years at Real Madrid, Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles, 2 La Liga titles, and numerous other trophies. He also became the club's all-time leading scorer, with an astonishing 450 goals in just 438 appearances. His ability to deliver in crucial moments, particularly in Champions League knockout stages, earned him a reputation as one of the most clutch players in football history. The move to Juventus. In 2018, Ronaldo surprised the football world by leaving Real Madrid to join Juventus in a €100 million transfer. Despite being in his 30s, Ronaldo continued to defy expectations, proving that age was just a number. In Italy, he won 2 Serie A titles and continued to perform at an elite level, scoring goals with remarkable consistency. Off the pitch, Ronaldo's influence extended far beyond football. He became a global icon, known for his philanthropy, fitness regimen, and entrepreneurial ventures. His dedication to maintaining peak physical condition earned him admiration and respect from fans and fellow athletes alike. Return to Manchester United and beyond. In 2021, Ronaldo made an emotional return to Manchester United, a move that thrilled fans around the world. Despite the team's struggles, Ronaldo's individual brilliance shone through. He continued to score crucial goals and serve as a mentor to younger players. As of 2023, Ronaldo's journey has taken him to Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia, where he continues to make an impact on and off the field. His influence on global football remains unparalleled, and his legacy as one of the greatest players of all time is secure. International success with Portugal. Ronaldo's contributions to the Portuguese national team are equally legendary. He made his senior debut in 2003 and quickly became the team's talisman. Over the years, he has represented Portugal in multiple European championships and World Cups, delivering memorable performances and scoring record-breaking goals. One of Ronaldo's greatest achievements came in 2016 when he led Portugal to victory in the UEFA European Championship. Although he was forced to leave the final against France due to injury, his leadership from the sidelines and emotional connection with his teammates inspired the team to secure a historic win. Ronaldo added another international trophy to his collection in 2019 when Portugal won the inaugural UEFA Nations League. As of today, he remains the all-time leading scorer in international football, a testament to his incredible longevity and consistency. The man behind the legend. Beyond his footballing achievements, Ronaldo is known for his generosity and humanitarian efforts. He has donated millions of dollars to charitable causes, including disaster relief, children's hospitals, and cancer research. He is also a devoted father to his children and a role model for aspiring athletes worldwide. Ronaldo's success is rooted in his relentless work ethic, mental toughness, and unwavering belief in his abilities. He has often spoken about the sacrifices he made to reach the top, from leaving his family at a young age to dedicating countless hours to training. Legacy and impact. Cristiano Ronaldo's impact on football and popular culture is immeasurable. He has inspired millions of fans with his story of overcoming adversity, his unmatched skill on the pitch, and his commitment to excellence. His name is synonymous with greatness, and his influence extends far beyond the sport. As he continues to write new chapters in his remarkable career, Ronaldo's legacy as one of the greatest footballers of all time is firmly established. From the streets of Madeira to the grandest stages of world football, Cristiano Ronaldo's journey is a testament to the power of dreams, hard work, and unyielding determination.